How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. So today I want to show you guys how you can hide your IP address very easily on any device. And hiding your IP address, it's not just for the sake of hiding your IP address for privacy, but it's rather changing your IP address so that you can access content that is not available to you. You can protect yourself while torrenting, and you can just simply secure your device while you're public Wi-Fi, or if you just generally want to keep yourself as anonymous and as private as possible on the internet. Okay, so you might be looking at this here and you're wondering, hey, why are you showing your IP address? Of course, that's not my IP address. It's the IP address of ExpressVPN's New Jersey server, and that's why my internet interprets as if I'm in New Jersey myself. Now, the best VPNs here, you've got Express, Nord, and Surfshark, and I'll talk about these in just a minute, but these are overall the best three VPNs, I would say, for whatever it is that you're trying to do. But let me just show you guys how it works. So simply, once you've downloaded and installed one of these VPNs, you can use the links below to save a little bit more money. So yeah, feel free to take advantage of the discounts in the description. And once you've installed these VPNs, you can just use your credentials, log in, and connect to one of the servers. So let's just go to Europe, for example, and connect to, let's just go with the Netherlands, and we'll connect to it. And as you can tell, ExpressVPN is almost instantaneous, which is why I like to use it to demonstrate, and just, yeah, on a daily basis, I like to use ExpressVPN overall. And here, I'll just refresh, and now I am in the Netherlands. It's as simple as that. That's how you can hide and change your IP address. Now, as far as which VPN could be the best choice for you, let's talk a little bit about that to help you make a well-informed decision. And so I've been regularly testing the best and most popular VPNs, and I've narrowed it down to Express, Nord, and Surfshark as the best three VPNs overall. Of course, they all vary in budgets and features, yet they all have a kill switch, they're excellent for torrenting, and they all consistently work with streaming services such as Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video. And that's why these are my favorite three. But depending on your situation and preferences, one of them may be a better choice for you, and I'll explain why. Starting with ExpressVPN. And this is going to be the best one if you're looking for the best overall, fastest, and easiest to use VPN. And it has the most verified no-locks policy, which was demonstrated through a real-life stress test proving that they don't collect or track any user data. It has over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, which is a big number of countries, allowing you to access content from all over the globe. Plus, you can secure up to 5 simultaneous connections per account, and it's compatible with most devices. And so ultimately, whenever people ask us what the best, most reliable VPN is, and don't mind spending a few extra dollars to ensure the highest levels of reliability, ExpressVPN is my go-to choice for those looking for a premium VPN. Next up is NordVPN, and Nord is what I consider to be the best value VPN. It has over 5,400 servers in 60 countries, and while more servers does not necessarily mean better service, this can help with speed and latency, especially if you use a VPN for gaming, or if you want extra features such as threat protection, which blocks ads, malware-ridden websites, as well as protect your device from harmful files, which is a neat little feature. And so Nord kind of gives you more options to fiddle with, and that's where the value for the money comes from, especially that it's about as fast as ExpressVPN in terms of performance, and will let you secure up to 6 devices per subscription as opposed to ExpressVPN's 5 device limit. So all in all, if you're someone looking to have a few more options in your VPN, then NordVPN would be the one to get. And then finally, Surfshark is my best pick for the best budget VPN. And while it has all the essentials like Express and Nord, it's not quite as fast as those two. Although with Surfshark, you're allowed to virtually secure an unlimited number of devices with just one account. So it's a great option if you don't want any simultaneous connection limits. You also get over 3,200 servers in 100 countries, which is a lot. Also, you still get bonus features such as an ad blocker for blocking pop-ups, 2 types of specialty servers, as well as no borders mode and rotating IP, which can be very useful if you're trying to use your VPN in a restrictive country. So ultimately, if you're looking to spend the least amount of money, but still have all the core features of a premium VPN, or if you need a VPN that allows you to secure all of your devices, or if you have a larger family, then Surfshark is the ideal choice. And so to sum it up, these VPNs are definitely the best in the business. ExpressVPN is a premium VPN with a strong emphasis on security and utmost anonymity, and it's perfect for those that are privacy conscious and are looking for the best VPN overall. Now, NordVPN is a well-rounded high-performance VPN that offers a lot of value for the money and is ideal for those looking for bonus features
features that can be useful in a variety of ways besides base VPN functions such as strong encryption, secure torrenting, and working with streaming services. And Surfshark is truly the best budget VPN that gets the job done without sacrificing any of the necessary security features that you usually get with more expensive VPNs. And as an added bonus, you get to share it around with as many of your friends and family as you would like, which is a great plus.
And that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn a little bit more about them. And of course, they're all covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, just in case you're not satisfied for whatever reason. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.